this guy over here and go.
I'm gonna go. Don't worry. I'm gonna see what's going on over here. I got it. He's gonna turn, and he should have let me go. You gonna let me go, you bitch?
No, she's got no fucking directional on. She should have a fucking directional on.
I think she had the directional on.
Did she?
I have it on video. We can take a look. They have cars now. The new cars that you buy. What the fuck?
Put this down.
Drive. It's not my fucking fault. The floor is What about this guy? That's my fault too, right? What is this? You dropped your clicker. Give me my fucking camera. Fucking cat. He stole my camera.
Mike, if you're gonna use the camera, I'm gonna drive. I'll tell you right now. So either put it fucking down.
All right, I gotta turn it.
Okay.
We've been cut off by the. We've been what's the word called when you're canceled?
Terminated.
We've been terminated. All right, could you look at the camera and say, just look at the camera and say, he's been terminated. So, could I keep my mouth shut for 30 minutes or what?
Yeah, start now.
Start now? Okay, I'm gonna keep my mouth shut for 30 minutes. I'm gonna beat the traffic. There's no fucking way we're beating the traffic. We're beating the traffic. What are these trucks over here, Dad?
They're for sale. It's international. International is now selling Sterlings.
Sterlings are good trucks or no?
I don't know.
Are Internationals long hauler, Mac?
International is an old.
I see a Mac. Look at that Mac right there, Dad.
Nothing like a fucking Mac.
The Mac? Here's another
Mac.
Mac.
Over the road. They're like the.
Mac is a great truck wear and tear. You can replace all the parts. Macs last forever. We had that 1973 cab over Mac, the DM6452 Sammy's truck. We used to call that. I think you.
Maggie's truck was a 73.
Yeah, a cab over.
It was not a cab over.
Yeah, it wasn't straight.
The cab over was a 66.
No, what's the one where the cab was over to a little to the left?
That's Sammy's truck.
Yeah, what was that? You only could fit two people.
73.
Yeah, but what's that called?
673 engine.
The 79 was a cab over.
Off center cab.
The 79 was a cab over, right?
Yeah, 79 was a
cab. The thing came forward like it was a 3000 tank.
79 was a flat nose.
Yeah, but that was a cab over. It came over. It make a left here, there.
Yeah.
It fucking when you had to jack it up to get into the engine.
And the 86 was a cab. Not cab overs, right? The cabs come forward.
No, the 80
cab over was the
79 was the
79 was a cab over.
Okay, and what do you call the ones with a
cab over? Means you're sitting over the fucking engine.
And what's the 73? What was that?
73 was a DM686.
I was off by a little from the previous.
696, yeah. Had a 237 engine in it. That's a piece of shit. Not a piece of shit. Small engine. The 86 had a 300.
Yes, your phone's ringing. I don't want to. Don't answer that. I don't want to answer that. There's no fucking.
It's not ringing.
My phone's ringing. I don't want that. Stop bothering me. These salespeople call me all the time. It's a beautiful day in Puerto Rico now. All of a sudden the sun is out. No, but what the 86 John's truck? What kind of engine did that have in it?
300. I just told you that 10 minutes ago.
So that you could load up what 5,500 gallons in there, but you used to squeeze some more in. 6,000, wasn't it 5,000 something? But you squeezed more in.
5,000, but you got a little more in there than 5,000.
Yeah, you got a little more.
Yeah, Hit Warrior always made it a little bigger. 51, 5,200, you could probably get in there.
Yeah, it had a lot.
Tippy top. Oh, that truck made us a lot of fucking money. A lot of money that truck made us. You gotta get over, all the way over.
Yeah.
So that you can,
Does it make a difference, really?
Yeah, because you got to get over anyway.
For the express lane.
Not for the express, to get through the
toll.
Yeah.
So we're not getting off and getting Wendy's, or the Subway sandwich,
You
or
still have to get over there to come over here.
we already went to the. We have to go to Walgreens anyway, right?
Why do we have to go to Walgreens?
Beautiful day. The sun's out now. That's pretty cool. The towers. This lane's moving faster now, so I'm just staying here for now.
I gotta give a fuck what you do.
We're gonna miss the traffic.
Yeah. Could you imagine 15 minutes from now?
I think it was busy
We
when
won't be moving.
it was all fucked up when we first came in at fucking 3 o'clock on this side. But no big deal. We're enjoying the day. It's a nice day. We went to. So what did we do today, Dad? We went back and forth to Costco 2 times. And Pops only did 1 piss in the house, so I'm very happy about that. 1 piss for Pops. Very, very happy about Pops. And we'll see.